Hello guys, in this video I'll be trying to withdraw some units of Dogecoin. As you can see, I have some amounts of coins right here. So I have also some amounts of Bitcoin Cash. I have some units of Bitcoin. I have some units of BitTorrent too. You can see 54 pieces of BitTorrent. I have about some units of Dashcoin. I have Digibyte and so many other coins. So you can see Dogecoin here. I have about 1.0017 Dogecoin. So I'll be trying to withdraw this straight to my Trust wallet. I just have to minimize down and head straight to my Trust wallet to copy my Dogecoin wallet address. Because I'm in my Trust wallet now, so I'll try to copy my Dogecoin wallet address. Okay, so this is my Dogecoin wallet now. So you can see I have about 0 pieces of Dogecoin right here. So I'll just copy my wallet address, then head back straight to the site I'm using to withdraw these coins. So I'm back to the site now, and I'll just have to click on this one that says withdraw. Okay guys, after clicking on withdraw, it's going to be a direct withdraw, and the minimum amount of coin you can withdraw from Dogecoin is about 1,500 pieces of coins. And I'm going to paste my wallet address right in this section that says your wallet address. I'm going to paste it right here. Then I'm going to get about 0.988 pieces of Dogecoin because of the service charge. So I'm going to click on this one that says withdraw right here, and automatically it will be sent straight to my Trust wallet. So I'll click on this one that says withdraw, and you can see the notification that the transaction has been successfully withdrawn. So my coins have been successfully withdrawn. So I'm going back to check my Trust wallet now. So I'm going to minimize and check my Trust wallet to see whether these coins actually entered. Alright guys, so I'm in my Trust wallet now. So this is my Dogecoins. I'm going to click on it so you see when this entered. So this is it. You can see that I received today about 0.98813 pieces of Dogecoins, and you can see the balance here about 0.98813,075 Dogecoins. Okay, so I'll be showing you the step-by-step guides on how to make your own Dogecoins. Okay, but before then, if you're new to this channel, kindly hit the red subscribe button, like this video, turn on your bell so you get notifications of important videos like this. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how you can make your own Dogecoins now. So the first thing you have to do is just to click on these 3 dotted lines at the top left corner, and you see various things like your dashboard, your end coins, ready to claim, PTC ads, surveys, and so many other things. I just want you to focus on this one that says PTC ads, and currently I have about 21 PTC ads here. Okay, so if I scroll down a bit, you see I have about 340 enable coins right from this page now, and you can see that if you scroll down a bit, you see that just visiting this site and staying for 40 seconds, you earn about 25.24 coins. Same as this, earn about 25.24 coins. So if you scroll down, there are lots and lots of them. Okay, so we'll just be using one now to see how effective this is. So we'll just be clicking on this one that says watch for this one now, and we're going to stay just 16 seconds on the site to gain about 12.62 coins. You just have to scroll down a bit, scroll down, and you solve this little captcha. Then you click on this one that says get reward down here. So this is get reward. I'm just going to click on it. Just after the countdown, you just have to click on this one that says continue at the top right corner here. So I'm just going to click on continue and go back. You can see that about 12.62 coins have been added to my balance. The second way you can earn coins from this site is by clicking on this one that says ready to claim. So this ready to claim appears every 30 minutes. So you'll be able to claim about 19. You'll be able to claim some amounts of coins every 30 minutes right from this site. Okay, so we are claiming about 18.05 coins every 30 minutes. So if you scroll down a bit, you just have to solve this little captcha here, and you click on this one that says get reward, and immediately it is added to your balance in this place. Okay, so if you check very well, you see that the countdown has started and you have less than 30 minutes to claim another one. So I'll be teaching you the most important aspect now, and that is how to withdraw. So if you scroll down a bit, you will see the withdraw icon. So this is the withdraw icon. You can just click on it and you see several coins you have to withdraw here, about 18 of them, and the ones that are out of stock. So you can withdraw Bitcoin. You can copy your Bitcoin wallet from any wallet you make use of, be it Coinbase, Binance wallet, Trust wallet. You can put it here and withdraw it straight to your wallet. So this is Dogecoin, our main focus. So you just click on this one that says withdraw. The page will pop up and you'll be asked to put in your Dogecoin wallet right here. Then it will be sent straight. Hey guys, this is the video I have for you guys for today. Hope you guys really enjoyed it and you'll be able to make so much Dogecoins from this site. All you can do for us is just to hit that red subscribe button, like this video, and make sure you turn on your bell icon so you get notifications of important videos like this. Thank you guys, and see you in my next video.